Today, I'm happy to have the opportunity to share with everyone about our new way to store and manage your simulation data by our new solution. We call it iSLM. Okay, so in this topic, we will not talk about what is model 3D, what is plastic injection molding simulation, but the topic we talk about is about about the data management. And what is data management, and how people manage your data right now? For by our experience, people Model 3D users right now have many Model 3D projects. The Model 3D projects is the experience that used to run the injection molding simulation, and for many years, for example, for an engineer, many years experience, they may have more, for example, more than hundreds simulation projects or thousands of simulation projects. And now the general way to store the data is that people use the hard disk or DVD CD to record the Model 3D project. And moreover, generally people use Excel to record which day to did what kind of simulation, what kind of parts. So this is the most general approach that people use to store Model 3D projects by this way. And for manufacturing data here, just like the on-site mode tryout data. Generally, people did on-site mode tryout, and then they will have we call it mode tryout sheet or mode tryout report to record all molding process, molding parameters in the sheet. Because it's a sheet, so generally it is kept in a folder or something. So it's we call it a traditional way to keep the mode trial data. The mode trial data including the CA simulation, CA virtual mode trial data, and physical trial data.